Do you know where you are in the forest? We have now released a new update of our app Arboreal Forest, and the whole measurement part is rebuilt, and it's much faster, and we have some features I want to share with you. First, we have added a map that lets you see the center of the plot, the border, the trees, and yourself. And it's updated in real time by using AR technology and has nothing to do with GPS. And this is useful when you want to orient yourself in a plot. We have also added voice that speaks the species of the tree that you just have measured, and this will help you to avoid assigning the wrong species to the tree. We have also added the possibility to measure a plot without a border, and this could be really useful if you want to measure a fixed plot or a plantation. When you start the app, you will see an arrow that points at north, and sometimes your phone thinks that north is in the wrong direction, but now you could tap on this arrow and just point at the right direction. This is useful if you want to match your data from Arboreal Forest with aerial data from drones or satellites or from aeroplanes. And the best is yet to come. Now when we have built the foundation, it's much easier to do improvements and add new features in the future. So, good luck with your measurements.